Hi guys! Buenos dias everyone. Time check ana kita. It's 3:13 in the afternoon guys. Yes, 3 p.m. na. And ito yung first meal ko. Nakapag 22 hours of fasting tayo. And meron akong beef. And anong tawag dito? Bone marrow. And then meron din akong low carb na pancake. Yung ginamit ko ay almond flour at saka coconut flour. So I'm ready to break my fast guys. Let's eat. Try muna natin yung beef. Wala kaming proper na kutsilyo. Pwede na to. Cheers. Medyo malamig na. Guys. May coco aminos to. Try nga natin to. Wow. Sarap. Tignan nyo. Ang lambot. Continue natin guys kasi yung anak ko ang dami request. Sarap. So yummy guys. Ito ay ginawa ko lang sa 2 egg and then 2 tablespoon ng coconut flour and then 1 tablespoon ng almond flour. Tapos 5 stevia sticks at saka as in konting baking powder. Cheers. Sarap guys. Hindi ko gusto yung pancake. Kasi gusto